Duty! Lincoln, what's up, Duty? He's such a good boy. He loves, lately, the older he gets, the more, oh, hey, you want to come in? The older Lincoln gets, the more he doesn't mind being on camera. But when he was little, he hated being taken pictures of. So, anyway, so today I've got the Kypris Antioxidant Dew, which is part of BoxyCharm. And I picked this up as I think it was like an add-on, which shipped earlier than the actual box. So anyway, I think you had the choice of this or the Juice Beauty Eye Serum, which I picked both. So anyway, so I thought I'd review this because for BoxyCharm, I think it was like $19 you could pick it up. But the retail price of this alone outside of BoxyCharm is like $100 or something. It's really expensive. So I thought, for 20 bucks, I got to try it. It's a $100 serum. It's going to be life-changing for $100, right? So overall, I like it. The packaging is decent. It's got the dropper bottle, and the serum is a little bit thicker than what I initially thought it would be. It almost looks like milk a little bit, and it smooths over skin easily, absorbs rather quickly, and then sets to a nice matte finish. So it's a pretty good serum in terms of layering. So they recommend using it in your morning routine and in your evening routine. It's got some superstar ingredients in there, but it also has a little bit of fragrance in there. There's sour cherry in there. So gives a little bit of a scent, which does dissipate over time, but it's got some good ingredients in there. Superoxide dismuse taste. I don't know, I'm probably mispronouncing that. That's got some good hydrating ingredients in there. It's got Tamanu oil in there, which is good for hydration. Overall, I like it. I wouldn't say it's a game changer, how I expected a $100 bottle to be, like a total game changer. I didn't think it was a total game changer, but it was a nice addition, a good way to give your skin some extra beneficial ingredients, but that fragrance in there is kind of a downer. So overall, I've been testing it out now for about a month in my routine, and I would say I would repurchase it again for $20. From BoxyCharm, but I probably wouldn't spend $100 on this simply because it does have a little bit of a scent, and dropper bottles for me are just a little bit frustrating because you can't travel with them easily, and every time you open it, it does expose the ingredients to a little bit of light in there, not a ton, but a little bit. So I don't know. Overall, I found it to be okay. Nothing game-changing like you would expect with $100, but there's a lot of people online that swear by it. So I'm sure a lot of them are true, and then I wonder if some of them got the product for free, and then the company said, go post that it's game changer because we got to sell it for $100 somehow, right? So I don't know. I guess it's up to you guys to kind of make the decision. Definitely leave a comment. I'm interested if there are any of you guys that use it or have paid the full price for it, what your thoughts are of it. So overall, it's got some really good ingredients in there for your skin. Light scent, which I'm not a huge fan of, but it does dissipate. And then price tag's really the biggest downer at $100. So definitely rebuy it for $20. Wouldn't spend $100 on it. So anyway, I'm more interested in hearing what you guys think about it. If you guys have tried it, or if you guys are picking it in your BoxyCharm, leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. So anyway, love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you tomorrow.